God will bless Evangelist Ebuka for all this good work he's doing.
Slow march up, 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 up. At ease. Return.
This is one of the sisters that Evangelist Ebuka trained in the school.
Remove address.
She came to appreciate Evangelist Ebuka because Evangelist Ebuka trained her in the school. So she is one of the students Evangelist Ebuka is training.
I want to thank you for being a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration to me. I thank you for sponsoring my education, for contributing to shaping me into who I am today. I thank you for the values you've instilled in me, for not giving up on me, despite my stubbornness and shortcomings. I thank you for your prayers. I thank you for all you've done for me and my family. And today I've served my fatherland successfully, and with a grateful heart I present my certificate and Alawee for 12 months. I present to you.
Okay, this is the Alawee?
Yes, sir.
And you also brought this
life gift to say thank you to you, sir, for all the things you've done for me, for treating me as your own daughter, as your sister, and looking out for me. I say thank you very much, sir, and God bless you.
Chinelo Okolie from Enugu State, but the mom from Nysc. Nysc is where my grandma come from. So there is a connection. Chinelo is from where my grandma comes from. No, her mother is from where my grandmother comes from. I think 2014, 2015. She came, her father engineer, late now. And she was opportune to meet me 2014. And she told me that she wants to go to university, but she don't have hope again. She's already working for somebody that because the father have problem, her father cannot sponsor her, but she wants to go to university. And I told her, okay, we have a lot of people we are training, both boys and girls. And I now told her to go back and take her exams, and she took her exams and she passed. And she went to Abia State University, and I sponsor her through. Today she is back. She brought her 12 months at Alawee, the whole money. And this is also the ram she brought. This is wonderful. Currently, I have more than 60-something students in university. Over 40 boys. I'm paying their university, and some 20 girls. Different universities across Nigeria. Currently, those in university now, I am paying their school fees. And the majority have graduated. How many of them have come to do a thing like this? That is why Jesus said that 10 were here. Where are the other 9? Why must it be one that will come? We have a lot of graduate students that are sponsored throughout the university. So many of them are working in different places. Some of them are in outside the country. And we currently, I am not talking about those in secondary school. I mean those in university now, or over 60-something. The amazing thing here is that she could remember that somebody paid her school fees throughout. She came with her Alawee money to present it. She didn't take cover out of it. She came with ram. Where are other ones I have sponsored that are in America, India, all over the world? Where are they? I told her currently I have 60-somethings in university, both in Nysc, Futo, Nysc, all over Nigeria. About 40 boys and 20-something girls. Even the ones in secondary school, there is no time I don't pay like 18 million. For school students, I don't even know. But Chinelo have surprised me. And that shows that she have a good heart. And of course, now she will be working and she will get ready for marriage. And I recommend her to any good man. Any good man, look at her. You have to come. Very intelligent, brilliant, determined person. And very straightforward. And very straightforward. So any good guy that is responsible should come for her. Chinelo, God bless you. I'm happy. Take the money back. Take the money back. I will only accept the ram. I will only accept the ram, but take the money back. And be strong in your work. Continue to be disciplined. Continue to be honest. Continue to be reliable. Am I communicating? And God bless you. And the Lord preserve you. Give you many years ahead. It is well with you. I am happy for you. God bless you. God bless all of you. God bless all of you. One good thing leads to she came straight today. She's passing out. She came to say thank you for someone who trained her in university. Where are others that have graduated? Why didn't they come to do a thing like this? This girl is a very good girl, and I recommend her to any good man. If you're a bad person, don't come. She's from Enugu, yes. From Ogu local government, but the mom from Imo State. God bless all of you. Chinelo, I love you. You will always be my daughter. God bless you. God bless you.
Have you people seen what Evangelist Ebuka is doing? This Evangelist Ebuka wey they see, this man, he dey help people, secret, but you will not see it online. If say this our sister now no come to appreciate him, many people will not know. If say this one no come online, if say this particular one no come online, many people will not know that Evangelist Ebuka is training many people in university, in school, both primary school, secondary school and university. Some people don't know. And this man is helping people secret. All these ones that you are saying that he's helping people are seeing online, that one they few to compare the one where he they help secret. The man is really trying. Evangelist Ebuka is really trying. I pray that God will continue using that man. In fact, the man is trying. He's trying. And I pray that God will, this our sister that came to appreciate and came to appreciate him. I pray that God will give him a new job and God will bless him